how to install woodmart theme. So first of all, go to appearance and go to theme and click add new. Just click upload theme and choose file, and here are the latest woodmart theme, and I will upload this file. Install now and click active. After activate the theme, I will set up all those woodmart theme settings. Just click let start it and click next step. And now I will create a child theme. Just click install now. It already been created a child theme. And select Elementor and click next step. And if you're using WBaker, you can use it and install all those plugins. Just click install, and it will take few seconds or few minutes, and just wait few minutes. Alright, so when you install all those plugins, just click next step. And now this is the demo part, and here you can import any demo of your to your website. I will import this demo, this one. Just click main woodmart and just click import. And here it will take few minutes. Just wait and watch. Once you import the demo, then just click next step, and here you are that your theme is ready. Now if you click the view home page and click here you are the home page. Yeah, full website is imported right now. So thank you very much.